Brown Sugar is a song recorded by the English rock band the Rolling Stones. Written primarily by Mick Jagger, it is the opening track and lead single from their album Sticky Fingers. It became a #1 hit in both the United States and Canada. In the United Kingdom and Ireland, it charted at #2. In the United States, Billboard ranked it as the #18 song for 1971. Rolling Stone magazine ranked it number 495 on its list of the 500 greatest songs of all time and at number 5 on their list of the 100 greatest guitar songs of all time. Though credited to Jagger Richards, Brown Sugar was primarily the work of Jagger, who wrote it sometime during the filming of Ned Kelly in 1969. According to Marcia Hunt, Jagger's then-girlfriend and the mother of his first child Karis, he wrote the song with her in mind. Former Rockette Claudia Lenier disputes this claim, saying that it was written about her. In 2014, Lenier told The Times that she is the subject of the song because she was dating Jagger when it was written. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.